Hi guys, welcome to my simple remedies. We usually take care of our skin, our face, but nowadays with our busy lifestyle, no one takes care of their hair. So today I will share with you new hair hacks and hair remedies that will solve all of your hair related problems. So let's start with today's hot topic. But before we go ahead, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to help us make more great content for you all. I am aiming at 25,000 likes. Done? Okay, let's go ahead. Hack number 1. How to get rid of dandruff. How to get rid of dryness or sickly. First of all, take a clean bowl and add 1 teaspoon of yogurt into it. After that, I'm adding 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice. Mix it all well and apply to your scalp. Remember that you have to apply this mixture only to your roots. There is no need to apply it on your hair. After applying it well, keep it on your roots for 30 minutes and after that, wash your hair. Whenever possible, try to use sulfate and parabens-free shampoos. Use this remedy 3 times in a week and make a new mixture every time. I promise you will get rid of dandruff in 1 week. Now let's get on to hack number 2. How to stop hair fall. The easiest way to get rid of hair breakage and hair problems in general. First of all, take an onion, remove the skin, and grate it thoroughly to take its juice. We need 2 to 3 tablespoons of onion juice. Next, let's add 1 tablespoon of amla oil, and the last ingredient we will add is 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Now mix all these ingredients well before applying the final product to your scalp. Apply the mixture to your head with the help of your fingertips, and after applying this mixture, massage your head for 2 to 3 minutes thoroughly. After that, leave this mixture on your scalp for approximately 1 hour. After 1 hour, wash your hair with any shampoo. Apply this mixture fresh every time. You cannot store it or use it twice. Keep up this remedy with a once-a-week application for 1 month. I promise you will get rid of hair fall and hair loss problems forever when using this regularly. Hack number 3. How to stop hair thinning and grow thicker hair. Homemade remedy for making thin and weak hair dense and shiny. First, take 1 banana and remove the skin. Now mash this banana until it becomes a paste. Strain this paste. We have to use almost 2 to 3 tablespoons of banana paste. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt, bean curd, and the last ingredient that I am adding is 2 capsules of vitamin E. Now mix it well and apply it on your roots and hair. This remedy will not only help you to grow thicker hair, but will also make your hair shiny and bright. After applying it well, leave it like for 1 hour and then wash the hair with any mild shampoo. Make this mix fresh every time. The result of the fresh mix is really something else. Use this remedy 3 times for the first month, 2 to 3 times for the next month after that, and I promise you will be witnessing the results firsthand. Hack number 4. How to get rid of dry, damaged, and frizzy hair. Easy homemade recipe to make silky, smooth, and straight hair from dry and lifeless hair. First, take a clean bowl and add 3 to 4 tablets of aspirin. Now crush them with the help of a spoon and add 3 tablespoons of coconut cream in it. Mix the ingredients well until they form a paste. Now the mix is ready to apply. Apply this cream by leaving an inch from the root. Remember that you have to apply this mixture only on your hair, not the roots. Do not apply on the roots at all and keep combing simultaneously so that the mix can evenly be spread on your hair. After applying the mix properly on the hair, keep it on for some time. Preferably leave this mixture on your hair as it is for the next 25 minutes. If you feel that your hair is getting dry, then wet your hair slightly with a water spray gun. This measure will be needed only if you feel that your hair is getting dry. After 25 minutes, you can wash your hair with any shampoo. You should use this recipe only once a month because its results are very long-lasting. You will get instant results, meaning that only after the first application, your curly and frizzy hair straightens out. So please use it only once per month. And finally, hack number 5. How to remove head lice. This is the most effective recipe for getting rid of lice and leak-on. So, let's take a clean bowl and add 1 tablespoon of pure neem oil in it. If you do not have neem oil, then make a paste of neem leaves and add them. Next, let's add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. And lastly, let's add 1 tablespoon of water. Now mix all these ingredients and move them into a spray bottle. Now you can use the spray bottle to spray your whole head thoroughly, and if you have any left, you can store it in the fridge. This mix can actually be stored for up to 1 month. After 40 minutes, wash your head with any shampoo. After just one time use only, you will get rid of head lice forever, I promise. Please use this remedy only when it's needed, as there is no need to use it on a daily basis. So guys, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.